Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find Google Docs trash. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome, but I suggest you to open Google Chrome as it will be directly leading you to the Google Docs. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see this 9-dot icon. You need to click over there. And here if you scroll down here, you can see this Docs option. You need to click over there. And it will be directly taken to your Google Docs account. Now in order to see the trash, you need to go to your Google Drive as they are connected directly. In order for that, you need to click on this three line icon at the top left. And here you can see this Drive option. You can click over there and it will be leading you directly to your Google Drive. And here at the side, you can see various options. Now in order to see the trash, you need to click over here. And here you can see all the trashes of your Google Docs. Now here you can see this three line icon. You can click over here. And here are two options, restore or delete forever. If you want to restore it, you can click over here. But if you want to delete forever, you can click over here. However, this is how you can find your Google Docs trash. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.